Hello everyone. So I got this little Corbin lever lock, and I just used this piece of wire here, bent it, and if you look down there, let me see if I can zoom this in for you. Whoa, don't fall over, camera. Alright, you see that little shiny piece of metal right there on the bottom? This top part looks like a warding, and there's a little piece right there. I get this guy in there, hook him in there. Let me get him over there. Bending my metal. I'm just trying to hit that bottom. I don't know if you can see it, that bottom lever there. And there we go. See that? Ugh, pretty cool. One Corbin cabinet lock, New Britain, picked over, open with just a little 90-degree bend. I always thought there was a bolt that I had to tension and then levers that I had to move, but this is more like a warded lock. That little piece up there, I guess, just deflects. It doesn't move anything. It's just like warding. It keeps a non-properly bitted key from getting in there. But this is the actuator, this little guy on the bottom. This is the only thing that manipulates that. So there you go. I can handle these kind of lever locks. Happy picking, everyone.